Hey there, welcome back to another episode. Today's question is, how did they build the pyramids? And make sure to stick around until the end because we have an exciting announcement. But a recent discovery is now prompting experts to re-examine what we thought we knew. The most accepted theory has long been that the pyramids were built over decades using massive teams of laborers, pulleys, ramps, and stone tools around 4,500 years ago. But some aspects of that process have always remained a mystery, especially how such enormous limestone blocks were transported and stacked with such precision. For centuries, the Egyptian pyramids have fascinated historians, architects, and travelers. In 2024, a joint team of Egyptian and European archaeologists uncovered a previously unknown system of water channels buried near the Giza Plateau. They are the oldest and only remaining of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, and they have fascinated people for thousands of years. The largest of the 3 pyramids at Giza, the Great Pyramid, contains an estimated 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing several tons. The stones used for the outer casing of the pyramid are even larger, weighing up to 70 tons each. The idea that ancient Egyptians moved these stones without the aid of modern technology seems almost inconceivable. Yet that is precisely what the evidence suggests. It shows that the ancient Egyptians were far more advanced. We re one step closer to unlocking the full story behind one of the world's greatest wonders. Check out the links below for more resources and information. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode. And don't forget to comment what you think built the pyramids. See you next time. Than previously thought, and that they were able to use the natural environment to their advantage. The discovery also highlights the importance of interdisciplinary research. By combining the expertise of archaeologists, historians, and engineers, we can gain a deeper understanding of the ancient world. Despite all the time and attention they have received, there is still much that we do not know about them. Rollers or other devices that could have been used to move the stones from the construction site to their final resting place. This theory is supported by the discovery of a series of canals and basins near the Giza Plateau, while others have suggested that it played a more central role. The discovery of the canals and basins provides strong evidence for the latter view. It is hard to imagine how the Egyptians could have constructed such massive structures without utilizing the power of the river, which are thought to have been used to quarry and transport the limestone blocks. The channels, which date back to the 4th dynasty when the pyramids were built, appear to have been used to transport limestone blocks from the Tura quarries to the Giza Plateau. This discovery provides strong support for the theory that the pyramids were built using a combination of land-based and water-based transport systems. If this is true, it would have been a brilliant solution to the logistical challenges of building the pyramids. By using the Nile River and its tributaries, the Egyptians could have moved the stones much more easily than by using land-based transport. This has led to speculation that the Egyptians may have used a combination of techniques, including levers, inclined planes, and manpower to move the stones. However, even with the aid of these simple machines, it would have been a Herculean task to move the stones without damaging them or the surrounding landscape. How were these massive stones cut and transported? What techniques were used to raise them into place? And what can these structures teach us about the society that built them? These channels appear to have been part of an ancient logistics system, possibly used to float heavy stones closer to the pyramid site using boats or rafts. This supports earlier theories that the Nile River played a bigger role in pyramid construction than once thought. We will explore why some experts are excited about the new evidence and what it tells us about ancient Egyptian engineering and logistics. Finally, we'll consider what remains a mystery and what future discoveries might reveal. If confirmed, this finding doesn't disprove the original theories, it adds more depth. It suggests ancient engineers may have used both dry land and water-based transport systems more efficiently than previously believed. It also shows how advanced the planning and engineering really was, combining natural landscapes with architectural design. Comment down below what you think the builders of the pyramids would have used to move those giant stones. In this episode, we'll look at what this discovery means for our understanding of pyramid construction. The pyramids of Giza are among the most iconic structures in human history. One of the most enduring mysteries surrounding the pyramids is the transportation of the massive stones used to construct them. Archaeologists have found no evidence of ramps. Another intriguing possibility is that the Egyptians used water to move the stones. Egyptologists have long debated the role of the Nile River in pyramid construction. Some have argued that the river was only used to transport building materials. The recent discovery of a previously unknown system of water channels near the Giza Plateau has shed new light on the construction of the pyramids. While the discovery of the channels does not answer all of the remaining questions about pyramid construction, it is a significant step forward. With every new discovery, thanks for joining me on this Dig Talk.